Losses, shot clock down to 14.
Kaya
2
ko lang
minutes and
nalawag
5.
ito.
Shot clock down to 10. And 2
Ha?
minutes
Wala
to
kami
go.
sigarilyo
Kaya
dito?
coach lang, no.
Wala.
Mahagilap pinaward. Matatabigan, mapupunta dito sa labas. And our ball position for Team BCBX ang 1 minute and 54 seconds to go. Harbili RJJ.
Bitin.
Nakakalabit itong losses. Mananatili ang bola from team ng BCB Egan. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining mga kaibigan sa ating opening quarter. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Harbili inbounding from team BCB Egan. 1 minute and 42 seconds to go. And now, De La Peña, kick up by Daniel. Let's good. Kakilang mula. Pupuntahin. Natatawagan mga kaibigan. And a foul